In today's factories, managing all kinds of materials, from cutting tools to PPE and production supplies, can get complicated. Without clear visibility, it often leads to overuse, shortages, and unnecessary costs. That's where SmartBee comes in. SmartBee Vending Solution gives you full control, real-time visibility, and efficient management for every material. With SmartBee, you get full visibility across your operations. See exactly what's being used, when, and by whom. Reduce waste and keep your operations running smoothly. Today, SmartBee is trusted by manufacturers across all over the world, serving a wide range of industries such as electronics, aerospace, automotive, and precision manufacturing. Model X puts intelligent control at your fingertips. With face recognition and access control, every tool is tracked and assigned. It connects directly to work orders and even prioritizes used tools, helping you manage costs more effectively. Orbix 900, the carousel solution. High capacity, built for flexibility. Automatically locate materials, no searching required. Smart tool lockers. Easy access, easy management, with tool life tracking and calibration alerts. Weighing vending solution. Detect every small change. Built for high-value consumables. Everything runs on a simple, user-friendly system. And with seamless ERP integration, your data flows exactly where you need it. Comprehensive support you can rely on. Expert training, remote and on-site support, plus a full 12-month warranty. Smart tools, smart management. Smarter manufacturing starts here.